In this video, I will show you how to change your Payoneer email address. First of all, open any browser on your system and log into your Payoneer account. After that, ensure you are on the home section of your account. Once you have confirmed this, go ahead and click on your account name in the upper right corner of your screen. A few options here will pop up, and from these, click on the first option, which is Settings. You will then be directed to the Account Settings page. Here, click on the first option, Profile Settings. After that, click on Edit next to the Name and Email section. In this email field, enter a new email address that you want to associate with your Payoneer account and click on Save. Next, click on Send Email, and an OTP code will be sent to your current email address that is linked to your Payoneer account. Go ahead and enter the OTP code in the provided field and click on Submit. Once this is done, an email will then be sent to the new email address you entered. Go ahead and open that email and you will see a screen with a confirmation option. Click on Confirm Update and your Payoneer email address will be successfully changed.